What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog in Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Before we jump into the vlog, I have something to ask from you, and that is to like, comment, and share this video. And the reason I'm asking is because YouTube really values user engagement, and that means likes, comments, and shares. So if you like this video, if you like me and what I'm doing, please click that like button. Or if you don't like it, click the not like button. Yeah, the thumbs down button. Feel free to click that as well because that helps. And also, I would love to hear your feedback and get comments from you guys on what you guys want to see more of. Do you want to see more of me talking? Do you want to see more beautiful cinematic stuff? Do you want me to keep it as is? Whatever it is, I would genuinely love to hear it. So put it in the comments below. But on that note, that I've said that, let's continue with the vlog and with Ha Long Bay, Vietnam.
Can you use your plug on the live vest?
Hello. Yep. A little complimentary tea. This is the kitchen where we do food stuff. This is the bedroom where we do all our sleeping. What's up, Captain? And then this is the top deck of the boat. Really spacious, great views of the entire ocean around us. And that is pretty much your boat tour. I'm gonna do a little voiceover here as well because it was still windy, but these guys are really cool. They worked on the boat and immediately handed me a bowl of rice and invited me to eat with them. They started handing me all kinds of weird food. It's pretty good. This guy tried to put a pepper in my mouth and I was like, yo, that's hot. I don't want any part of that. No, thank you. And this guy gave me an eyeball looking thing. No idea what it was, but it kind of tasted like an onion. It was good. Alright guys, gotta go. See you later. I couldn't understand a word. Those guys were saying, but they were super nice. Had my first little drone outing. Because the boat's moving, it's hard to land a drone on a boat, and I tried to catch it and turn it over. I eventually got it, but not without before cutting my finger right here. The propeller got me as I was trying to grab it from the bottom and then flip it. But hey, didn't lose the drone, which is the biggest thing.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Get it. Come on.
Be careful.
Okay, thank you. Activity number 1 here, we had 2 options. We could either take a kayak and kayak ourselves or get on one of these bamboo boats and have one of the locals either paddle us or maybe they have a motor in the back, but a local take us on one of these boats out and around some of these islands. And because I want to take video and photos, I'm going to choose the bamboo boat. Yeah, one photographer, the audio, video.
All the angles. Awesome, yo.
Video. If we don't get a good shot, yeah, we messed up somehow.
A circle and a
It's a
square.
square now.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hey, what's up,
It's a square.
Oh no, I'm gonna say Sinchao.
It's a square, right?
Yeah, okay.
It's so nice to have another person who talks to a camera and messes up like me.
I mess up all the time, so one more time, okay?
I'm glad I'm not the only one. What a dog!
Yo,
What a dog!
water dog, come on.
Woo, 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 woo,
Water dog.
woo. Ooh, that water feels good. but unfortunately we are not allowed to jump in. In fact, it's regulated by the government. You can't go in because there's apparently way too many jellyfish and they don't want tourists to get stung. So unfortunately, yeah, can't jump in the water. Does it go like that? Does it go like that? It kind of fits better like that.
That's what she said.
But it gets more. I see what you did there. But it protects from the sun better like that. I can just guarantee I'm not doing a good job of showing you guys just how incredible this place is, because it's one of those places that it's hard to kind of relay it through a camera. But let me tell you, yeah, this place is beautiful. If you ever get the chance to come to Halong Bay, 100% do it, because it is 100% worth it. So we made a quick stop, kind of a touristy stop here at an oyster farm where they farm pearls. And yeah, it's kind of a cool place. Fun fact, the way they make pearls is they put a grain of sand into one of the oysters, and then over time, the oyster makes the pearl from that single grain of sand. Fun fact of the day. Let's go inside here and learn just a little bit about some pearl and oyster stuff.
It's not yellow oyster.
Oh! Put it back in. So they're raising these oysters?
Wow.
The lucky with the pearl, but it smells.
Nice.
It's a bit we use to fish.
Oh,
For
fish.
Yeah.
All right, we are back on the main boat, and the captain has told us we have about 10 minutes until sunset, so we're all heading up to the main deck right now.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Don't catch me, baby. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it.
Yo, so what's going on right now?
I was an idiot, and I was getting some really cool drone shots of like the boat and the surrounding area, and I backed it into that mountain over there. Can't take off. System warning. So that's the screen. It's basically in like a pile of bushes sideways like this. Not like this, but like this.
How do you feel? Are you mad? Or is this part of the risk? Is this part of the lifestyle?
I'm mad that I was an idiot and flew the drone and wasn't paying attention to what was behind it. That's what I'm mad about. I was an idiot. Well, I'm hoping that I can download the footage and it's good. And at least I have the footage and I have something to like show for it, and it's not just everything's gone. So, alright. I'm gonna see if I can download the footage and I'll get back to you and I'll let you know what happened, but it's not looking good. Alright guys, it is the next day, 6 a.m. and I'm feeling a little bit better about the drone, but long story short, it just sucks. It sucks to lose something that's one, that expensive, and two, that was completely my fault. I was talking to someone while flying and just not paying attention. I didn't realize how close I was to this mountain. But the silver lining is I was fortunately still able to pull all the footage off of the drone before it died. So I was still able to get the footage. That's the silver lining. But like I said, it still sucks. In fact, let me show you the clip of it crashing into the side of this mountain. Rest in peace, Wally. Number 3. I definitely gonna get a new drone. I'm not sure when, probably the next couple of months. But let's put things into perspective. Look how incredibly gorgeous the scenery and the backdrop is here. So we're gonna try to keep the good vibes, and to help do that, I think a bunch of us are gonna wake up in about half an hour and do some Tai Chi. This should help cleanse us from all our bad energy. So that is our boat right there, because we are now on this really cool island. I think even a dude like lives in this little shack over here. If we woke up and we saw some guy like doing some morning yoga or stretches, but how cool would it be to live on this little tiny island for a couple weeks. But we were on this island to do some hiking up a little bit into a cave, which supposedly, according to legend, is where dragons used to live. So let's go check it out. So traditionally, the people around here to get around use rowboats. And when you use a rowboat, it's incredibly slow. And so to go back to things like the mainland would take forever. And when you need things like water or food, it's really hard to come by out here on these islands. And so caves like this act as a natural well for these people, and they'll come here, get some water, and then they're able to continue on their journey. Pretty cool, right? All right, we're not supposed to get in the water because there are jellyfish, but I just can't resist. It's too hot. Worth it. Yeah, these guys right here, they're making sure that we're not going any further. Yeah, they're making sure that we're not going any further in the water. All right, we just had to get out of the water because look at that thing right there. That is a jellyfish, basically the size of a watermelon. And the reason we're not allowed to go in the water. All right, guys, we are back on the boat. That is the island we were just on. And I think that is a good place to end it, because we're just gonna drive this thing back to the mainland and then get back on a bus and then go back to Hanoi. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching, because the last couple of days have been incredible, minus the drone being lost. But besides that, yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. This place is so gorgeous. If you want to know the tour company that we took, it's Viola Cruises. So if you ever want to go, Viola Cruises, feel free to use them. They were delightful. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. If you guys have liked this video, again, click that like button, because it would make a lot, or it'd mean a lot and make a difference. And then if you want to see future videos, make sure you click that subscribe button, because I have a lot of cool stuff coming up from Asia that I can't wait to share with you guys. But on that note, the show is over, vlog is done. I will see you guys in the next video.